What you don't know is that your scars are beautiful. What you don't know is your imperfections are what make me whole. What you don't know is how I spiral down, 'cause I can't speak whenever you're around. Oh. And it's not like me to hide behind a wall, and it's not like me to fear the fall. What you don't know is that I lie awake, wishing you were here tonight. What you don't know is that I love you long before we were alive. 'Cause how would you know? How could you know? So now I'm gonna tell you everything. What you don't know, I have studied the way you walk. What you don't know is I've already kissed you in the shadows of my heart. What you don't know is that you're poetry. If you